Okay, Bismillah. Here, evaluate each of the following integrals and the rest by using partial fraction decomposition. The first question, integral of 4 over x squared plus 5x minus 4t dx. By using partial fraction decomposition, we can find first the write this fraction 4 over x plus 7 and x minus 2 is going to equal to a over x plus 7 plus another constant b over the other factor x minus 2. Okay. And then to solve for a and b, to find the constants a and b, multiply the whole equation by x plus 2, x plus 7, x minus 2. Multiply the whole equation by x plus 7, x minus 2. So the numerator on the left side stays the same, and a into the other factor x minus 2 plus b into the other factor of the opposite factor x plus 7. To find the a and b, we're gonna let marra x is equal to 2. So 4 is equal to, yes, 0a and 9b. So b is 4 over 9. Okay, and then we're gonna let x is equal to negative 7. And so 4 is equal to, we have negative 7 plus 7, 0b, and negative 9a. And so a is negative 4 over 9. Now we have the values of b and a. Can substitute in the first step and integrate. Substitute for a and b and then integrate. So we will write that the integral of 4 over x squared plus 5x minus 14 dx is equal to the integral of a over x plus 7, and a is negative 4 over 9 over x plus 7 dx plus the integral of 4 over 9 over x minus 2 dx. Then integrate. The first part, the integral of negative 4 over 9 over x plus 7, it's negative 4 over 9 ln absolute value of x plus 7. Since the denominator is 1 now, which is the derivative of the denominator, plus 4 over 9 ln absolute value of x minus 2, and then plus c. So this is the final answer. Next question, letter B. What's the integral of this 9 minus w squared over w plus 1 linear? 3w minus 5 also linear. W plus 4 also linear. Yes. So we're going to write 9 minus w squared over w plus 1 and 3w minus 5 and w plus 4. This all equals a over and then plus b over 3w minus 5 and then plus c over w plus 4. So we have constants when the denominator involves what? A linear factor. Write only the numerator in the left side. And now, a into 3w minus 5 into w plus 4 plus b times the other two factors below the a and c, and times w plus 1 and times w plus 4 plus c into w plus 1 and 3w minus 5. The next step is to let x, no, not x here, let w as negative 4 marra, and then w by negative 1 another time, and again w by 5 over 3. 3 zeros you have. When you substitute negative 4, for w, we erase equation, so you're gonna cancel what's a and b. Cancel a and b, يطلع لك حاجة in terms of c. Substitute negative 4 here. A negative 4 plus 1, negative 3, and negative 12, negative 5, negative 17, which is 51c. So we have 51c in the right side. On the left side, 9 minus 16 is -7. So the answer, or the value of C is -7 over 51. Okay, when W is -1, we will cancel out B and C. Right? And substitute here. Substitute -1 for W in the equation again. So the left side is 8, and the right side is also 8a, because here we have 8, -8, and here we have 3. Yes, when it's -1, -3, -5, -8, and -1 plus 4 is a 3. 3 times -8 gives -24. So A is equal to multiplication here. So 8 over -24, it's -1 over 3. Here, when W is 5 over 3, we'll substitute in the same equation, and we will cancel the A and cancel the C. Okay, so substitute in the middle for B, 5 over 3 plus 1, 5 over 3 plus 1, 8 over 3, and 5 over 3 plus 4, 17 over 19. Yeah, 17 over 3. So it's what here? 51 over 9. 51 over 9 B is equal to the left side 9 minus 25 over 9. Yes, 9 minus 136 here, right? 136. Okay, 136 over 9, which is 8 by 17. Okay, 8 by 17 is 136. In the left side, 9 minus 25 over 9, which is 3 over 5 over 3 squared, 56 over 9. And then find B as cancel 9 out and divide 56 by 136, gives a 7 over 17. So the B is 7 over 17. So we have now A, B, and C. A, B, and what? And C. So I think that we did letter A in the previous video, شباب. هتلاقيها غلط. Letter A. Okay, it's here 8. Here it's correct 1. We're gonna copy here this step again and integrate. Substitute for A, B, and C, and then integrate. The A is what? -1/3 over W plus 1 dW, plus the integral of B, which is 7 over 17 over 3W minus 5 dW, plus the C, it's a -7 over 51 over W plus 4 dW. This is the partial fraction decomposition. The first part, -1/3 ln absolute value of W plus 1 plus 7 over 17, and we should multiply here by 3 and divide by 3. Why? عشان يكون معايا the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. Okay, so multiply up and down by 3. So we have not 17 now. 3 times 17 is 50, 51. And here now, ln absolute value of 3W minus 5 minus 7 over 51 ln absolute value of W plus 4. Why times 3? Because what is the derivative of 3x, 3W plus 5? It's 3. The derivative of this is 3. So we should have 3 in the denominator. 3 over 3W minus 5 is ln absolute value of 3W minus 5. Since we multiply up by 3, 7 over 17 outside, and 7 over 17 times 1/3 is 7 over 51. Okay, and take this constant outside the integral. So still have 3 over 3w minus 5 اللي هو لين absolute value of the 3w minus 5. And 7 over 17 هتكون 7 over 51 بعد ما تعمل multiplying by 30. And this is the final answer. Okay. B is 7 over 17, dividing 56 by 136. This question is, what's the integral by using partial fraction decomposition of, let's say, 4x minus 1 over x minus 3 all squared dx. First, to write the partial fraction decomposition of 4x minus 1 over x minus 3 all squared, it's repeated linear. So simply it's a squared, not cube, squared. Sorry. Yeah, it's a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 3 squared. This is the rule. This is the other rule. Yes. When it's a linear repeated, you should write it like this. If it's x minus 3 power 3, you have to add plus c over x minus 3 all cube. But we have only, alhamdulillah, 2 terms. To find the a and b, we will first we have to multiply by x minus 3 into x minus 3 squared. We're gonna repeat it 3 times. So it's c over x minus 3 cube. Okay. Squared and then plus c over x minus 3 cube, and so on. Multiplying the whole equation by x minus 3 squared. طيب, no need. Just multiply by what? By x minus 3 squared. Okay. Cancel here and cancel only 1 from the power of 2 and cancel it all from here. Yes, in the left side we have 4x minus 1 equals. In the right side, a into x minus 3 plus b. Yes, so for x minus 1, a x minus 3 plus b. How to find a and b? X equals 3. Hello, we let a x equals 3. So 3 times 4 minus 1, 12 minus 1 is 11 in the left side. In the right side, 0a and b. So b is 11. Now we have to expand the equation and substitute 11 for b. How to expand the equation? And write 4x minus 1 is equal to ax minus 3a by distributive property plus b, or plus now 11, because the b is 11. Yes, and they equate. Yes, we can do this. Right. The coefficient here of x is equal to the coefficient here of x. So a is 4. You can solve like this. A is what? Is 4. Because the slope of the right line, or the equation in the right side, should equal to the slope of the equation in the left side. So here a is equal to 4. Nice. And also you can solve the other part, negative 3a plus 11 is equal to negative 1. If you would like to make sure, yeah, negative 3a plus 11 should equal to the other term, negative 1. And solve for a, negative 3a is equal to negative 12, and a also is 4. So it's up to you. لما تشتغل ان السلوبس equal يبقى a equals 4, او تاخد البارت ده اللي هو negative 3a plus 11 is equal to negative 1 and solve. So both are correct. Yes, yes. Because I don't have here any other factor next to be like x plus 5, so we're gonna let x is 5 and then solve for a. No. The a here the times x minus 3 and then plus b. B times 1. It's another term. Okay, this is one term and this another term. Okay, now substitute in this step that can substitute in this step, but integrate. Okay, but integrate, yes. The integral of this question with respect to x is equal to the integral of a over x minus 3 dx plus the integral of b over x minus 3 all squared. The value of a is 4 over x minus 3 dx plus the value of b was 11 over x minus 3 all squared dx. In the first term, 4 over x minus 3 has an integral of 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3. And we explained why before. Now, if we integrate 1 over x minus 3 all squared dx and leave the 11 before the integral sign, هنتعامل مع x minus 3 because it's linear كأنها u. 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus 11 and 1 over u squared. So we let x minus 3 as u and dx will be du. The answer is 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus 11. We can write 1 over u squared as u power negative 2 and integrate by adding 1. Yes, yes, it's what? Negative 1 over u. Like this. Over negative 1 plus c, because u is the x minus 3. Because u is x minus 3. So 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3 minus 11 over x minus 3 plus c, because power negative 1, we can drop it down as x minus 3 power 1, and dividing positive by negative is negative. This is the final answer. طيب, okay. How to evaluate the integral of cosine to the power of 4 of what? Of 2t. Yes, we should apply this rule. The integral of cosine to the power of n x dx is equal to 1 over n cosine power n minus 1 of x times sine of x plus 1 of plus n minus 1 over n, the integral of cosine n minus 2 of x dx. So the integral of, yes, the integral of what? Cosine to the power of 4 2t dt is equal to 1 over 4, because n is 4 here, cosine to the power of 3 of 2t sine of 2t plus n is 4 here, 4 minus 1 over 4, yani 3 over 4, the integral of cosine squared, right? Of 2t dt. Okay. The next step is to write 1 over 4 as it is cosine cubed of 2t sine of 2t. But we have here, what is the, again, the integral of cosine squared 2t. Okay. So we need a space here. Let's leave it here like this. شباب. Yes. For this part, 3 over 4 and open brackets, and repeat again the rule. Substitute 2 for n. 1 over 2 cosine of 2t sine 2t, okay, plus 3 over 4t plus what? 1 over 2 integral of 1 dt, or directly dt. 1 over 4 cosine cubed of 2t sine of 2t plus 3 over 8 distributive property cosine of 2t sine of 2t plus half. No, half times 3 over 4, 3 over 8 of t, because the integral of 1 dt is t. Okay, and this plus the c. Okay. Here we should divide by the derivative of the angle. In what part? Here, no. Okay, and here it's a rule. No need. Not here. If the question like this, cosine of 2t dt, you should divide by 1 over 2 sine of 2t plus c. And like sine of 4x dx, you can divide first negative great of 4x plus c. Okay. شنو؟ Okay. Okay, we will stop till here in this session. I'm gonna complete tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.